Today we'll be making tofu balls with the help of a toaster oven, and I strongly encourage you to make this dish with your children this Children's Day. Let's start off with marinating our freshly minced pork that I got from FairPrice. Once it's nicely mixed, set them aside for later. So here comes the exciting part. We're gonna smash the tofu with our bare hands. Ooh, this is oddly satisfying. We're gonna just mix everything together. It's fun to get your hands dirty. Now it's time to add in all the ingredients. Ooh. We're gonna mix it with both your hands. 那这个时候呢，我就会告诉孩子们，你们幻想在帮妈妈做按摩啊。So now we're done with all that mixing. We're gonna get some oil so that the meatball will turn out a little bit charred. It's time to roll our meatball like the size of a golf ball. Just put it into the baking sheet. Wow, look at these tofu balls. The family's gonna love it. So now it's time to shower them with some love and oil. Into the toaster oven for 25 minutes at 200 degrees. It's so easy to make this dish. Now we're gonna arrange them neatly into the bowl. Take some barbecue sauce, drizzle over the tofu balls. This looks so delicious. Remember to give your kids a big high five. It's taste time. It's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Well done, toaster oven. I'm Darren Lim, so this is from my kitchen to yours. The kids are calling me. I gotta go, bye.